the way to do cardio. Just woke up. What's up, YouTube? So, morning cardio. Completed it, mate. Just cooling down now. I split it up this morning. I did half on the upright bike and so I'm doing 45 minutes, so I did about 20 minutes or so. I don't remember how many actually, and then come over here and did the other 20 minutes or so. So now I'm just doing a cool down. The gym was full this morning, but it's now empty. So sweating. I don't really, like in the UK when I train, I'm not a massive sweater really, but I sweat like crazy when I'm out here. I mean, we've got aircon in here as well. There's an aircon in the corner. But yeah, man, so I think we're gonna have an off day today with I could train. I did really feel like I could do legs really, but I wasn't gonna do any squats actually, because I did back yesterday. I'm not sure how it worked out this week, but I don't really like to train back before legs because obviously you fatigue your lower back, but it doesn't, like I said, I've done squats 3 weeks in a row now, and I do like to do them, and I will most of the time do them, but sometimes, like I'm feeling today like I want to do my heavy, like because my first set is my heavy set, like 6 reps or whatever. So I was thinking today, I'll do that on the leg press, like the lion one. But we'll see, because I think we are going to Koh Larn today. Mrs. woke up this morning, she was sending me links of Ferry, like packages and rooms and everything, about 1,000 baht a night roughly, which is about 25 British pound, 30 US dollars or whatever. Or she did say there's an all-inclusive package, which is like 1,700 baht, I think she said, which is like, what's that? It's about 40 something pound, maybe 42 pound or something like that, British pound. And that's like they pick you up, takes the ferry over, hotel, bike, and then transfer back as well. So pretty cheap. Just going to stay for one night, go to the beaches there. So I might have a day off weight training today, unless there's a gym on Koh Larn, but I don't think there is. I went there like 2019, I think it was, or 18 or not. It's either 18, 19 or 20, I think I went. A long time ago. But they don't usually have, it's a very small island, so they don't usually have, if they have got a gym, it will be like this, you know, like there's one chest press in here. It's like a chest press that goes into a shoulder press, a lat pull down, and a row in one machine. But like, you know, one for chest, you pretty much, and then, well, you haven't got dumbbell, actually the dumbbells go up to 25 kilograms, which is, well, not surprising, but yeah, so, and they got an abdominal crunch machine. So I did train there for a week when I first got here, just because I wanted to have a scout around and see which gym to go to. But yeah, so yeah, that's the plan today. I think we're going to go, because she's going, my missus, she's going back, she's going away again in a few days, another family thing back home. I think her cousin's going to be a monk, so they're going to have a big party. I might go back with them, but not for the full. I think she's going to go back for like a week. And I've been back to her, I've lived in her hometown before. It's in like west of Bangkok, about an hour and a half. And Samut Songkram. And there's a nice water market there, a floating water market called Ampawa, which is really nice. But yeah, there is gyms there. There is a gym. There's I can't remember the name of it now. Coco or something. What's it called? It's yeah, in the Samut Songkram. I mean, there's I can't remember the name of the railway there. there's like a railway where they kind of have, they got the market on the like they sell the food like vegetables, fruits and stuff, and all sorts of stuff on the railway, and then the train comes through. I think it comes through 3 times a day, morning, midday and then evening. And when the train comes, you see a lot of people taking videos where they pull all the stuff off the train goes past and they put it all back on. So they got a couple of nice things there, and they have got a gym. We'll see, I don't know. I don't really want to go back. I'd want to stay in Pattaya. But yeah, right, anyway, I'm gonna go up now, get some breakfast and then probably head off, because we want to check in. Obviously check-in's about 2 o'clock in the hotel, so we'll try and time it so that we can get over there, dump the bags off of the room, get the motorbike, go to the beach. I think the main reason we're going, because Pattaya, like I said in one of my other videos, Pattaya beach is okay, like Jom Tien, but it's not clear water and it's not still, it's quite rough at the moment. I went in the sea the other day, yesterday or the day before, and it was really wavy, you couldn't really swim there. Sometimes it's like not too bad, sometimes it's quite calm, and it's warm. It's fucking warmer than the UK, but yeah, but there's, I remember being on the beach, there's a couple of beaches there, crystal clear water, white sand, nice and calm, so hopefully it's nice. But, yeah man, so let's get going, and stay tuned if you want to go and see. I'll be taking videos of Koh Larn today. Pancakes with banana and grapes and coconut inside. Yummy, yummy, yummy. And just a little bit of fresh honey.
Давай, поехали, давай, на бар.你别给我叫哈，要不就滚啊！你们都吵，你们到什么气？要不就滚去，别这样。快！你在岸上走，我俩的情，我俩的爱，在线上相当有朋友。没吃饭呐？
eat it now.
Hungry, hungry.
Okay. There you go.
Just like for viewpoint and
Oh, go and have a look at the beach. Oh.
yeah. Go. Are you ready? Look at it. Welcome to viewpoint Koh Larn. Oh, see water? How water is clear. This is, I mean, this why I want to come. Oh, it's so different from Pattaya. Oh my goodness. Same like Koh Phangan, you know? Oh, okay, water. Yeah, we go to the beach. Hey, look, beach over there. Ferry, see? This is the beach now. Ooh. Wow. Are you ready? Welcome to the beach. Oh. Look. ร้องไห้กลัวไม่ได้ไป Yeah. Let's say hello. Water very clearly. Now we in Pattaya beach. Welcome to Pattaya beach. We already here. Okay. Let's go to the beach. Let's go to the beach. Let's go. Open let's go.
Sand is so soft. It's like powder.
We go Pattaya beach.
Up.
Also do like full moon, half moon, like somebody they make party of that moon, half moon. Pattaya beach this one. Yeah, like Pattaya beach. Yeah, water very clear. Come on. Welcome to หาดสายยายนะคะ น้ำใสมาก เขาบอกว่าที่นี่น้ำใสเห็นตัวปลาเลยนะคะ Wow. Look at that. Water so clearly. Oh, this is mommy. This is mommy. Oh, love, we should take a chicken from the...
You're gonna have to hang that off the ground. So.
Papi, want to eat food? We should take chicken from the... Oh, it's family, mommy and baby. Oh. Oh. Celia? Yeah. Hi, look. หิวแล้วลูก I want to feed them. Oh, they can smell food from us. No, because I have a lot of food in the... Like, you want to drive back to... I think they go up to clear the room, right? Do you like this one? Oh, okay. Oh, this one, I to play with me. Oh, no. Oh, อะไรล่ะลูกThis one lovely. Oh, yeah.
Baby, so cute.
Yeah. You wanna lay down with the dog? You wanna lay down with the dog? Oh. Look, lay down, lay down. Achoo. Achoo, choo, choo, choo.
He's so cute.
Oh, Billy, she like.
He's so cute.
Thôi, cho nó chua. Ali. Wait. Oh, this one is fair. Don't like don't disturb me. Oh, this one beautiful all back. Oh. Oh. Oh.
Baby.
Baby.
Baby's so cute.
Bồn. That's one he kept full people more than us. Like we come here before, really?
Yeah, we have been there before. This is the one we went to many years ago.
Yeah, and Ophelia still really young. I think we still have pictures. หลวงปู่ทวดชื่อเนี่ยดิฉันจะเป็น Ophelia. The big Buddha that I get. Come. Big Buddha. เส้นเดี๋ยวแม่ใส่เสื้อผ้าให้หนูก่อน
Where the monk is, yeah?
Yeah. We go up so we come to Ferry. We go up and have Big Buddha and Kuan Im. She Buddha is Kuan Im. think we already come up here. Yeah, look, we already come up. Yeah, I think we already come up.
Oh, it's a chicken. This way. This way, darling. Up, up, up. Yeah. You just make your way up in time. You don't have to rush. All right. I'm just going to plod up. You need to stop. There's no way I'm carrying a feeler up here. So you just have to take your time. About 200 steps to the top, the monk's saying. So just going to pace myself. Well, at least there's some extra cardio to do. It's about 1 o'clock in the day, I think. So it's quite hot and there's a lot of steps. Nice deep breaths. Should have counted really. Oh, it's getting steep now. I think I've been here before. Yeah, I think it was like 2019. Something moving in the bush. I think there's a lizard there somewhere. I hope there's some shade when you get to the top. Almost there. Cool. Tell you what, I got a good quad pump going on. My teardrop towards the front of the knee is feeling quite fatigued. I think today it's got to be about over 30 degrees Celsius. Here we go. All the dogs there. Right. See in the distance there, or you can see Pattaya all the way along. Beautiful temple there. and then that beach there was the one we were on earlier. So yeah, best beach on the island. It's got a pier just there. You can from Pattaya, I can't remember the name, Bali High Pier it's called, from like the middle of Pattaya. You can get the ferry across for 30 baht each. My daughter was afraid because she's only 4, only small, so just had to pay for me and Tiada. So that was 60 baht each way, so 60 baht, 40 baht to the British pound, £1.50 each way for both of us. I think the first ferry goes something stupid like 7 in the morning, 7 or 8 in the morning, and then the last one it leaves from here at 5, and there's another pier in the main centre of the island on the other side, like the kind of town centre of the island. There's another pier there, and the last ferry there leaves at 6. So, but you can either get the big boat, the ferry, which is what we got, which is the prices that I've just told you about, or you can see all these couple of speedboats coming in now. I think it's about 1,000 baht, I think, or 500 baht. I don't know actually, but somewhere in that range each, you know. So it's quite a lot more. Well, I say quite a lot more. 500 baht's 12 British pound, 15 US dollars. But if you look at these, you can see these things in these yellow buoys. They kind of section off now. This is all something new since I've come back. There's another one over there. There's something new which I've only really seen since I've come back to Thailand now. Where it's like this is a safe area to swim, and then the boats coming in and out on the outside of the yellow buoys there. So yeah, right, still waiting for the girls. I just said, because I'm a lot fitter, I just said, look, take your time, come up very slowly, and I can't even see them yet. What's going on? Hello. 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 What these dogs are doing all the way up here. Usually they're where the food is. Right. I'll wait for Tiada before going in, but we're going to go and pray now. There's another beach over there. I think we went there yesterday actually as well. And you can still, look, looks like you can still go up to the top a little bit. Beautiful. Got to be a little bit careful of the street dogs. Most of them are fine, but there's Pattaya. We'll be back in Pattaya later. We're going to get the ferry back about 2 o'clock, I think. All right, so it's at the top now. So yeah, I did come to this temple. I did come to this temple many years ago. I remember, because yeah, when we got to the top, we were like, oh, we've been here before, haven't we? And I bought a Buddha from here last time, so I bought another one today. I tell you, Tiada's got them stored away somewhere, but I managed to collect quite a few nice ones actually. This one here, on the right there. One was just something like 160 baht. Green is my colour, because each sort of star sign has a different colour: green, red, blue, whatever. So green's mine. I'm a Gemini, and I just bought. The chain was 50 baht, which is just over £1 as well. So 100 baht, £2.50, £3.50, £4 for the amulet, and then about £1 for the string. Still waiting on the girls. There they are. Come on, slowpokes. How's your legs feeling? Huh? Oh, well done. Well done. Oh, don't drink that, sweetheart. You leave that at the bottom, okay?
She break thing.
Yes, yeah, but...
No, this one is for people. Dirty. ภะคะวะโตอะระหะโตสัมมาสัมพุทธัสสะนะโมตัสสะภะคะวะโตอะระหะโตสัมมา
สัมพุทธัสสะนะโมตัสสะภะคะวะโตอะระหะโตสัมมาสัมพุทธัสสะ Mana dia lupa dia. Afidah, sit nice sit. Like mommy, sit like this. Like mommy.
Namo tassa
Yeah. Satu Fidah. Fidah. Satu.
Look, over here.
Fidah, take money.
The ball.
Put money inside.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. อิเมหินานาสักกาเลหิอะภิปูชิเตหิทีขายุโก
Push, push, push. There we go. Well done.
เก่งจังเลย
Say satu.
สาธุยังสาธุ
Just say, Ophelia.
Let's go. Hey, cock-a-doodle-doo.
Cockle-diddle-doo. Yeah. Time to go home, back to Pattaya. What? There, go on. Come on, Ed. Yeah, come on, darling. Face is red. This one is out for the count. Just waiting on a taxi now. We're going to go back to the condo. Okay, now look at my too much sun the past 2 days.